11 stabs in 11 seconds. That's how the attack on the MAX train that killed 2 Good Samaritans and injured a 3rd was described today in court. The bail hearing for accused murderer Jeremy Christian, of course, an emotional one for the family and friends of those victims.
Our Lisa Balick was in that courtroom. And Lisa, why did the judge not make a decision today?
Jeff, she still has to watch a video presented by the defense of what happened that day. And what happened today in the courtroom was tremendously emotional as they heard graphic details, too much for a lot of the family members and friends, as well as victim Micah Fletcher, who was in the courtroom. So she's decided to do this privately, but I'll tell you, it was extremely emotional inside today. Jeremy Christian is facing multiple charges, including 2 counts of aggravated murder. He was expecting to learn if the judge would allow bail, but the district attorney's office worked to keep him behind bars until trial.
Of Mr. Christian stabbing to death 2 individuals during 11 seconds of attack clearly demonstrate that Mr. Christian committed those offenses.
A lead Portland police detective in the case described the violent stabbings that day in detail and showed the judge photos from TriMet video and cell phone video recorded back in May on the TriMet train, where Ricky Best, Talisa Namkai Meche were stabbed by Christian, along with survivor Micah Fletcher. They intervened after Christian was verbally harassing 2 black teen girls on the train. The detective who has interviewed Christian recounted what he said in one of those interviews.
There's no way I can explain what happened, except for both of those people would have been alive if they had kept their hands to themselves or got off the train and allowed me to have my free speech. It's only because they decided to get violent with me that they signed their own death warrant, and I don't feel one bit remorseful or sorry about that.
Christian sat quietly listening, no outbursts this time. But at one point, he held up a card with the words, "Don't tread on me." But while hearing the horrible details of the MAX attacks, some of the victims' family members, along with Micah Fletcher, stepped outside of the courtroom for a bit. It was too much to bear. Now, the judge will decide in private whether or not to grant bail, and she says she will issue a written decision sometime soon. Live in downtown Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.